My name is Manoj Dovwal. My age is 42 years, and I have been diagnosed with avascular necrosis in April month 2023. At the time, there was a problem in walking, and there was problem. There was a pain in the joint, hip joint, both the hip joint. So we have done local, like we are in the local hospitals. We have done X-ray, and then MRI. In the MRI, they have detected that my avascular necrosis is in 2 and 3rd stage, 2nd and 3rd stage. So after multiple consultations and doing extensive research on Google, I found this Surge therapy. And the day when I found, I just directly contacted from the Surge therapy Monica ma'am, and they have guided me very well for this whole procedure, how the procedure will be done, and what is the cost and everything related to that. I have been explained very properly. I just came on first day, done the procedure, which is very minimal, and next day I got a discharge. So today I am sitting after 1 month here after the Surge therapy. The thing that got improved is like I'm not having much difficulty in walking now, and my confidence is increased because I know some improvement is there in my joint now. So I would recommend this therapy, Surge therapy, to everyone. Thank you very much.